This is a demonstration on how to replace the battery adapter plates on the pump stick. First, remove the battery if one is present. Then, remove the 4 flathead screws securing the adapter plate to the pump. Next, remove the adapter plate and wire connectors from the back of the old plate. Plug the wire connectors into the new adapter plate. Be sure to match the red wire with the R and the white wire with the W on the back of the plate. Next, place the new adapter plate onto the pump head. Make sure the wires are not pinched between the plate and the head. Finally, secure the new plate with the 4 flathead screws. Do not over-tighten. You are now ready to use a new battery with your pump stick.